Hey everyone, Chris here from the Hot Wheels Garage. Today I'm really excited because I've actually got some fan mail to open up. That's right, my first bit of fan mail here in the Hot Wheels Garage. The subscriber reached out on Facebook and said they wanted to send something special in here to the Hot Wheels Garage, and I was very, very excited. So I just want to say thank you very much, James. You know who you are, and this is really exciting. I don't know what it is, so I cannot wait to get into it. He said it was going to be something really special, something that I needed, and something that I didn't need, but he wanted to give to me. So I thank you so much. I cannot wait to open it up. But smash a big thumbs up for the video and a big thumbs up for James for sending in some fan mail here at the Hot Wheels Garage. Now I've got my trusty track connector here. I'm gonna give it a go and see if we can crack the tape open without a knife. We'll do it with our track opener, track connector, and not a problem, perfect. Oh, I cannot wait to get into this. I was so excited when he reached out on Facebook and said, "Oh man, this is awesome. This is awesome." All right, there's two cars in here, two cars. Circle Trucker, the treasure hunt, because I needed this to complete my set. That is awesome. That's great. I'm so happy with that. Now I've got the whole series of the Track Stars for 2020. I did not get this in my case unboxing, so that is a massive thank you for sending this Circle Trucker to me here. But I think this is the one. It's not on the card, but I can see what it is. I just want to have the correct year. Yeah, the 2017 Ford GT Super Treasure Hunt. Man, take a look. Can we see that properly? I'm really, really impressed. Take a look at that. I was not expecting this at all. Sure, a mainline, or I'm really happy with the treasure hunt. That's cool, but to get a super treasure hunt as part of my first lot of fan mail here at the Hot Wheels Garage, man, that is awesome. Check it out. Check it out. Very, very impressed. Oh man, smash a big thumbs up for James. That is really, really impressive. Thank you so much. If anyone else wants to send fan mail into the Hot Wheels Garage, I don't care what it is, anything. I'm really excited with this, and I'll be excited with anything that you guys send me. Connect with me on Facebook. I'll put a link in the description down below, so you can come and like the Facebook page for the Hot Wheels Garage. You can send a message through there. It's very easy to get in contact. Again, thank you so much for this, James. This is really appreciative. Now I can open all my Trackstar cars, so that's pretty cool. All right, everyone, thanks for watching.